Officially iOS 17, the new update from Apple. Hello guys, these are the most prominent features of the new iOS 17 system update that Apple announced on September 18th. Do not forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and supporting us with the like button and activating the bell button to receive all new updates. Now let us go to the features. In the world of miraculous technology, Apple brings us once again an exciting new iOS operating system, the iOS 17 update. Before we share the depth of the features of this new update, let us first take a look at important tips before the update and the new features that will be able to receive this update and when it will be available to everyone. Before updating to a new version of the operating system, such as iOS 17, it is necessary to keep some updates running continuously and free of problems. Tips before updating to iOS 171. Backup or perform a complete backup of your device data using iCloud or iTunes. This will ensure that you will not suffer any data loss during the update. Point 2. Check compatibility, make sure your device is compatible with the new version of the operating system. Point 3. Update applications, confirm all applications installed on your device. There may be many updates that make applications available for the new version of the operating system. Point 4. Space-saving, new updates may need a lot of space to install. Make sure you have enough space on your device before starting the update. Update. Point 5. Stable internet connection, make sure you are connected to a non-rechargeable Wi-Fi network, as updates may be large. Point 6. Battery charging, make sure your device is charged 50% or more, or is connected to a charger and is running low on power during the update. Point 7. Read the memo before updating, read the samples to be an expert on the changes and new features. Point 8. Avoid updating immediately if you're not in desperate need of new features. You may want to wait a few days before updating. This allows users to release the new version and report back to anyone who might want to develop it. Below is the guarantee of the update process. And free of problems. Now, let us discuss in detail what is known about this update's new features. The new update 1 Personal Voice is one of the most prominent additions in this update, as it allows users to generate sentences using their personal voice. You can prepare this feature by reading certain sentences for 15 minutes, so that the system will recognize your voice. Once you're done, you can convert any text you write into audio with your personal voice, making communication more personal and unique. 2. Mental Health Update. The Health application brings with it a new section dedicated to mental health. In this section, users can continuously record their psychological and mood, while documenting the factors and people who influence them. The application analyzes this data and provides an assessment of your psychological state, which helps in predicting potential psychological challenges and providing useful advice. 3. Check-in feature. Check-in feature in the iMessage application, an effective way to track your location and destination, making it a useful tool, especially if you have younger children or siblings. Through this feature, you can easily share your current location and destination, while providing updates in case you are late or paused for a certain period of time. 4. Stickers. The stickers feature in iOS 17 provides the ability to create custom stickers from photos and add various visual effects. You can convert anyone or thing in a photo into a poster and use it in your conversations and posts in any other application. 5. iMessage Improvement. Messages have seen noticeable developments. The most prominent of these improvements is to enhance the search function within the messages, as the user can easily access the first unread messages in any conversation. To increase the effectiveness of communication, the direct response feature was added to a specific message by dragging it to the left, making the interaction within the conversation smoother and more accurate, and the ability to convert voice messages to written texts without the need to open the audio clip. 6. Customizing contacts in call screen gives you iOS 17 the ability to personalize your personal account and contacts with a photo, emoji, or a group of expressive faces. You can also customize the call wallpaper to make the call experience more personalized. 8. Widgets. Apple presents in this update a new type of interactive widgets, where you can click on some widgets to execute specific commands without the need to enter the application dedicated to Widget. 9. Control the settings from searching through the search feature. You can now search for specific settings such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and activate it or stop it directly from the search results. 10 Offline Maps. This feature enables you to download certain maps to use without the need to connect to the internet, making it easier to navigate in areas where internet service is not available. 11 is Siri's Assistant. Minor updates to Siri's Assistant allow users to call Siri by her name and order multiple things at once. 12 AirDrop. New updates to AirDrop make file sharing easier and faster, and you can share your contact with anyone else once you approximate your device to the other device. 13 is Standby Mode. Standby Mode in iOS 17 is a new feature that allows users to see clearly selected information when the iPhone is placed horizontally while charging. Users can view the clock, photos, and various tools. Content displayed can be customized through settings. 14 Compatible devices and release dates. Apple confirmed the following list of iPhone phones that will receive the iOS 17 update: all iPhone 14 and 15 phones, iPhone 13 phones, all versions of the iPhone 12, iPhone 11, all versions, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR. iPhone SE, second generation and later versions such as the iPhone SE 2022. The iOS 17 update is a new step from Apple to provide a better and more personalized user experience. With a variety of new features and improvements, this update is expected to be among the most exciting updates from Apple in recent years. This is the iTech channel on YouTube. Do not forget to support us by subscribing, pressing the like button, and activating the bell button to receive all new updates about technology, information, and smartphones. Don't go far, we will see you in the next video.